Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn the Kazakh alphabet, Cyrillic and Latin version. Please repeat after me. A, 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 A. So when you pronounce the letter A, you just open your mouth and your tongue comes here, A, and you try to pronounce it softly. A, A. B, 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 Y, Y. So this Y in Kazakh language is also pronounced softly, so it sounds like it has E at the beginning. So it's Y, Y. F, F, G, G, R. When you pronounce R, you try to pronounce it with your throat. So it's R. The sound comes from your lung and it has some problem in your throat. So R, R. H, H. E, E. E, E. So when you pronounce E, make sure you smile a little bit, E, and then when you pronounce it, your throat, that sound that comes from your throat should be soft. And then the beginning part of your tongue, which is close to your throat, should be a little bit up, E. Because when you try to put this part a little bit down, then it will be O. Then it's not soft, so it should be high up a little bit. E, E. Zh, Zh. K, K. L, L. M, M. N, N. So when you pronounce you try to pronounce it through your nose. Actually, English language has that sound. So for example, morning, that ng is the same with war, war. W, W. So when you pronounce W, you try to pronounce it softly. Also, at the beginning, your lips will be round. And then as you pronounce it, as you start to pronounce it, your lips, it opens up a little bit. So, W, W. P, P. K, K. So when you pronounce K, the air, it stucks in your throat a little bit, it has some problem, but finally it comes out. K, K. R, R. S, S. Sh, Sh. P, P. U, U. O, O. When you pronounce O, your lips is square like this, O. And then your tongue goes down this part and then that part too. So the sound should be hard. O. Like in my name, Zhannur. O. Ö. Ö. When we pronounce ö, our lips is the same square, but the tongue, this part, it comes close to your teeth. It's right behind your teeth. And then this part, it goes a little bit up. So the sound will be soft. V. V. O. O. When you pronounce O, you smile, O, but this part of your tongue goes down, so it will be pronounced hardly, O. O. And the last one is Z. Z. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. I want to let you know that we have a Patreon channel. By subscribing to the basic level, you get the access to weekly lessons with slow and clear pronunciation in Kazakh language, which helps you to improve your reading and listening skills. Also, we have the standard level where you get the access to the transcriptions of the podcast episodes, which we release weekly. And you will be able to watch videos from my trips with Kazakh and English subtitles. Your subscription to our Patreon channel would be highly appreciated because it motivates us to create more lessons like this one, and it would be significant contribution to the popularization of the Kazakh language. I also invite you to join our Telegram channel. There, you can practice your Kazakh with others by sending text or voice messages. Besides, there you can listen to audios in Kazakh language with transcription in both alphabets, Cyrillic and Latin, and English translation. See you there!